The STS-K064 surface-mounted speaker and anti-vandal microphone kit includes the following components: a speech transfer amplifier, a surface-mounted overhead speaker, an anti-vandal microphone, a staff loudspeaker unit, a counter hearing loop aerial, fixings, and a power supply. To install the surface-mounted overhead speaker and anti-vandal microphone, begin by loosening the screws to slide the bracket from the loudspeaker. Next, we need to attach the microphone to this hole. Take the microphone lead and remove the green connector. Take the cable and, ensuring you are going in the shown direction, push the microphone through the hole and thread it all the way through. Thread the microphone to the supplied nuts. To do this, hold the microphone and bracket flat on the counter and screw on the nuts. Take a suitable spanner, hold the microphone in place and tighten the nut. The next step is to fit it to the window frame. Firstly, find the center of the window. Place the microphone against the glass and push the bracket up to the frame. Hold it in place and then, using the two holes in the bracket, make a mark on the frame for the screw holes. Use a 2.5mm drill bit and carefully drill pilot holes. Take the bracket with the screw already attached to the frame and align it with the hole in the framework, screwing it into place. Find the second screw and screw it into place. Now we can set the microphone into position. Remove the backing and attach to the glass. Attach the loudspeaker to the mounting bracket. Hook the cable behind the loudspeaker and slide the loudspeaker into the bracket. Push the cable to one side, positioning the speaker at the desired angle, and tighten the screws. Finally, we will fit the trunking around the frame to route our cable neatly away from the microphone and loudspeaker and back to the countertop. If possible, use screws to hold the trunking in place. Route cables neatly and securely back to the amplifier. Place the staff loudspeaker on the staff side of the countertop. Ensure that it does not cause an obstruction and is as close to staff as possible. Use the cable management hole in the counter to run the staff loudspeaker cable back to the amplifier position. If there is not already a cable management hole, drill in a suitable location near the rear of the counter. To install the under-the-counter hearing loop, ascertain the intended user's position. Install the hearing loop cable so that the center of the created rectangle shape is positioned towards the intended user's position. Place the aerial in an inverted L shape on the underside of the counter, following the example of the displayed installation. Insert the staff microphone connection into sockets 16 and 17, also labeled the staff mic connection. Insert the staff loudspeaker connection into sockets 5 and 6, also labeled the staff speaker connection. Insert the customer microphone connection into sockets 14 and 15, also labeled the customer microphone connection. Insert the customer loudspeaker connection into sockets 3 and 4, also labeled the customer speaker connection. For a hearing loop output, connect to sockets 1 and 2, labeled loop. The power connection goes into the socket labeled PWR. Place the amplifier under the staff counter, ensuring that it will not obstruct staff when they are sitting. The amplifier front should face outwards, with adjustment buttons accessible. Drill and fix the amplifier in place using the supplied screws. The power supply and its cable should be fixed securely using the supplied fixings. Route all cabling securely, fixing cables into position using provided cable clips or other suitable fixings. Ensure all hearing loop signage is displayed prominently. Adhere the provided hearing loop sticker to the glass or plastic screen, or to other surfaces available. The label should be clearly visible in an unobstructed position.